Bonjour, merci d'avoir choisi Europe 2. Il est 4h cet après-midi, mesdames et messieurs. Nous allons partir en direct pour les États-Unis. C'est une première pour démarrer cette émission.
On démarre
très vite parce que nous allons passer dans l'émission la plus écoutée des États-Unis dans quelques instants.
C'est pas possible.
Nous allons être au milieu de millions d'auditeurs américains car nous avons la chance d'accueillir en direct sur Europe 2, on peut dire le plus grand animateur du monde.
Enfin, il nous a appliqué beaucoup de trucs quand même.
The King of the American Radio, c'est ça comme ça qu'on dit?
Ouais, c'est ce qu'on dit.
Howard, comment on dit? Howard Stern. Are we on the air?
Yeah.
Are you Howard?
Just shut up and listen to me. Are you the number one French DJ?
Yes, I am. I hope. Are you the number one American DJ?
Don't ask me any questions. I'll talk to you.
So I'll try to translate sometimes. Welcome on the show, Howard, and thanks for being on the air.
Well, this ain't gonna last long. Because unlike you, I gotta get home.
Et je comprends pas ce qu'il dit parce qu'il parle super. Il veut rentrer chez lui en fait.
Can
Talk that language. Talk English.
you're at the end of your show?
Yeah, I'm at the end of the show. Hey, so
End of rope.
I'm at the end of rope.
End of la rope.
So, Arthur,
Yeah.
you say you're like the Howard Stern of France. In what way are you like Howard Stern? In what way are you like me?
Why I like you?
Yeah, no. What
En quelle
way
manière
are
tu lui
you
ressembles?
like me? What-
Oh, we've got a lot of common interest.
All right. So, what is it you do that's so crazy to make you the French Howard Stern?
No, I'm not the French Howard Stern.
You are the American Arthur.
You are the American Arthur.
How do people listen to this crap?
I don't know what are you then? You're not the French Howard Stern. Who are you?
I'm not the French Howard Stern, I'm just Arthur.
If you're Howard Stern, then you hate France too.
Oh, gentlemen, I've been invited on your show a few years ago. I think you don't remember.
Yeah, we wanted to goof on you.
You insulted me during half an hour,
Hey, so
just only because I was French.
Oh, I remember that.
yeah, of course.
You told at this time I didn't know how to speak English, so I didn't understand. But after I listened to the tape and you insult me about the French bidet, you remember?
Well, number one, I insulted you because the French have treated Americans horribly.
Yes, but not all the French, my friend. That's why I'm on the air with you.
You
You in particular.
in particular.
No. We forget to say hello to Robin.
And the Jews get such crap anyway. Why you guys got to pile on them?
Sorry, I don't understand.
The Jews.
Yeah, I'm Jews.
Why do you hate the Jews so much?
I can hate Jews. I'm Jews, and I present my friend Levi. This is his name.
Yes,
I'm Jewish.
You too.
That was a common interest with you. I'm Jewish.
You're Jews?
Yes, I'm Jewish.
Hell out of France then.
Faut partir de France.
Sometimes you're through.
Listen, Arthur, we gotta go. We gotta take a call from the Mexican Howard.
Yes, but you know.
Ils doivent parler à l'Ouest
Just
mexicain.
one thing, Howard, we've got a present for you if you want to accept it.
No, thank you. Arthur, here in my bio of you that you are so popular. You are also a television producer. It says you produce 70% of French television.
Yes.
Not as a lot, but
80%.
something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's got to be a lie.
I mean, how many stations are there in France?
4.
You're telling me you produce 70% of the television.
No, I didn't tell you that, but it's something like that. We're producing some real TV shows. You've got them in
What, reality shows?
some few of them like Big Brother, Celebrity
you mean,
Farm,
you
Star
rip off-
Academy.
You rip off American shows, like you rip off my show, and then you...
No. Those are French shows that you use for America.
We have Le Survivor.
Yes, we don't produce Survivor. We're not producing Survivor. So do you want the present we prepare for you?
No, thank you.
Écoute, j'ai vraiment vu le roi bâché, mais là,
Please.
il lui demande s'il veut le cadeau, il fait non.
No. So you married a French supermodel named Estelle.
Yes, and you married to American supermodel, Beth.
No, I'm not married.
You're not married?
No.
You may.
I live with.
She's beautiful.
Yes.
In French, she's très belle.
In French, we say she's bonne.
Yeah, oui.
This guy's responsible for 70% of the television. That blows my mind.
Yes, my friend. Just
Possible.
Howard, do you still don't want my present?
No, we don't.
A present for friends.
You should
Now, you're
have.
annoying me. Listen, here's my message to your people.
Yeah.
America, you owe everything to. You'd still be enslaved by Nazis.
Yes.
For America, and you must thank every day America. You must say, God bless America.
Start your show this way every day.
Every day you start your show, God bless America.
You know what? Before we call you, I said, I bet you're going to say that.
You're damn right. I'm always going to say
What are you, psychic?
when I get to speak to your people.
On va leur faire écouter notre...
Charles de Gaulle was a sissy.
You know, Howard, we're the French resistance, you know? We are the French radio resistance now.
I doubt it. Napoleon wore a dress.
Napoléon avait une robe, il dit.
What about my present?
Send him back to Statue of Liberty. She's ugly. Yeah.
Oh, you don't want the Statue of Liberty, but when we're seeing your American movies, she's always on the screen.
Be serious. Let me be serious.
Yeah,
right?
be serious, please.
All right. Number one,
And after I offer you my present.
Number one, you killed Lady Di.
No, we didn't.
On n'a pas tué Lady Di. Okay, so we say we are sorry. Okay. sorry.
We are very sorry about that.
We're very sorry about it.
That waiter during World War II.
What waiter?
The waiter, the Nazis came in, he goes, will that be a table for 200,000?
I don't understand.
Un truc avec la Seconde Guerre mondiale.
Ouais.
Let me just say something. To all the people of France, America is the land of the brave.
L'Amérique est le pays des braves.
Des courageux.
Ouais.
But something the French can't exactly, say they're brave.
France, land of the slave.
Land of the slave.
You know,
Yes, Robin.
And there will be a time in the future when somebody's going to come marching in there to invade.
Kick your ass.
And this time we might not be so anxious to help you.
thank you. Tu peux lui traduire un joke? I've got
I'm not joking.
No, it's
No,
not
we
a
have a
joke.
joke for you.
I'm being serious about this.
Can you hear? I'm gonna ask somebody to translate because my English is a disaster. Tu peux lui dire que il y a une blague qui dit que les... Non, il gonna translate. Il gonna translate. I say to the guy to translate. Que des fois les chars d'assaut français, ils ont 4 marches avant, ils ont 4 marches arrière et une marche avant au cas où l'ennemi il attaque par derrière.
Never mind that.
Let me translate.
Sold
Yes.
nuclear material to Saddam Hussein.
No, il arrête pas de nous insulter. No, we have artillery.
Over there, huh?
No, we agree with you that we have artillery and we always go backwards instead of forwards when we get attacked.
Mais non, c'est pas ça. T'as pas traduit les 4 marches arrière et la marche avant.
We have 4
Okay, let's speak English. Howard, do you want my present?
By the way,
No.
I don't buy French wine.
I've got 2 beautiful women for you.
I don't care. I gotta go.
Il s'en fout, il veut se barrer.
You're French Howard Stern. Good luck to you, pal.
No, I'm not the French Howard Stern.
advice we can give you, Arthur. Get out, Jews.
No, we have to stay here to be just to resist, you know.
All right. Whatever you said.
Okay, just one more thing. You're very famous in France because your TV show is on the French television.
And the biggest TV, Paris Premiere.
The TV show is still
Énorme télé.
on the French television.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So
Yeah.
that's the only television you're not producing over there.
No, but it's not a big television. It's a small television with not a lot of money. But with that show, you became very famous in France.
On pourrait leur faire un cadeau rapide,
Ouais.
leur mettre l'hymne.
To all my fans in France, don't worry.
We're not worried.
No, you should be. Stop worrying. Are you guys in Paris? Where exactly are you?
Sorry?
We're in Paris.
Yes, we're in Paris at 100 meters from the Champs-Élysées.
Champs-Élysées.
Is that why they call it Gay Paris? Because of you guys?
Yes, we are all gays. We are all Jewish and all gays.
We are all Jewish, all gays.
You're gay Jews?
Yes, everybody here.
No, it's impossible.
All French are Jewish and gay.
Let me see.
Think about your mother.
I love...
What? You don't go
Who's the
there.
broad? Who's the French broad? Hey,
I present you Jade, the
just
Princess
wanna
Jade.
Hello, America.
Be quiet. Shut up. All right, I just want to say that America is your friend and should be treated with respect. And remember that. That's something you should go around saying because you never should forget someone who saved your ass.
Get rid of
Yes,
this
thank
thing
you. We
and,
don't forget that you
Remember,
saved
we
us.
won the soccer cup.
Thank you very much. We always remember that.
All right, goodbye. I'm done with you now.
Goodbye, me too. Il est sympa, non?
Ah mais il t'a pas
Il a
bâché du tout.
raccroché.
Mais non, il a fait que bâcher les Français. J'ai
Bah
gagné
oui.
mon pari ou pas?
C'est quoi ton pari?
Putain, on avait préparé des cadeaux. On peut pas le rappeler pour lui dire qu'on a nos cadeaux. Rappelle-le du billet, nos cadeaux.
On a pas le temps, mais on voulait lui mettre la Marseillaise.
On avait des stripteaseuses.
Ah ouais.
Bon alors, c'est pas grave, on va les garder.
Et alors, juste avant qu'on démarre, j'avais dit à Manu, tu vas voir.
Ouais.
Il
Tu me
va
l'as dit
ne
aussi.
faire que dire.
Tu me l'as dit
les
aussi, c'est
Français,
vrai.
vous êtes des cons. Les Américains, on vous a sauvés pendant la Seconde Guerre mondiale. Je l'ai dit ou pas? Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
We want to speak again with Howard.
You want to talk to Howard again?
Yes.
We
We've
have
got
a
a
present.
You're angry at him?
No.
All right, hold on. Let me put him up. Hold on.
Were destroyed by the tsunami, but it turns out that tribes like the animals must have made it to higher.
C'est les infos, ça, hein.
Nous sommes en direct dans Mission d'Howard.
Which proves the point of the girl on The View,
There you go.
who was from Survivor, that we once had the ability.
Ah là là.
Oh no, man.
C'est sympa à écouter comme ça.
What about my present?
What? He's back?
Yes, I'm back. Yes, I've got a present for you.
I don't want your present.
I've got the 3 more important
Hey, Arthur, I got
movie porno star for you. I make them coming here for you, and you don't want my present?
Arthur, listen to me. I got my own show to do. I got my own life.
Me too. Me too.
We want to be your friend. We are all Jewish and gay. We
France got a present for you.
Listen to me. Stop stalking me. I'm going to call the police.
We've got a present for you. Il a raccroché. On peut pas le rappeler. On va le faire chier.
Jamais égalé. Arthur, il n'y a qu'un seul roi de la radio.
C'est très dur quand on parle pas anglais.
Mais bien sûr, c'est
Non, mais
dur.
je pense que les gens se sont régalés.
Il nous bâche à 200 à l'heure, on peut pas répondre. Rappelle-le.
Eh oui, malheureusement.
Prends une voix sensuelle.
Oui.
Jade, tu dis oui.
Hello,
This is for the present.
Dis que t'es le présent de toi-même. C'est le cadeau. Non, parce que maintenant qu'on a leur numéro direct, on va les faire chier.
Non, qu'on a
il nous connaît pas.
en direct du studio.
Bah attends.
Vas-y Manu, demande-lui tu.
Hello?
Hello. What a present for our star.
What about the present, please?
All right, hold on. We'll put it up again. Hold on.
Thanks.
What's the name of that tribe?
There are 4 or 5 of them. I don't know what.
Where is that? In Thailand?
India.
Hello.
Which tribe of India is going to call in?
What about the present? The French present for America.
We have the present.
We've got a present for you.
Music.
I think they were on Star Trek. We shouldn't disturb these primitive peoples.
On a
Ils sont là?
We've got a present for the American King of the Radio.
They had a 2-week break for the holidays.
Ah, ils font comme si on n'était pas là. Alors on va faire comme s'ils n'étaient pas là.
Yeah, I don't know.
Clémence,
Yes.
Clémence,
Oui.
vas-y, dis-lui que tu l'aimes à Howard.
Howard, I love you.
Oh, I don't know.
He went, but he left. Oh, ça marche pas.
Ça marche. Ça marche, ils font semblant de pas nous entendre.
Oui, oui, bien sûr.
Howard, you. Anyway, they say I'm Clémence. You know, actual. Howard, you. He was running around screaming, getting louder and louder.
Putain.
Ah oui.
On bouge pas Clémence. Attends, comment je la remets en attente? Et il faut raccrocher et rappeler.
My wife.
Ok.
Coming out of
C'est énorme ou pas?
What's wrong?
Ils vont jamais vouloir nous.
Mais ils nous reprendront à chaque fois, on a la ligne directe du studio. Oh là là, on met un jingle, un peu de musique, on va le faire chier jusqu'à 11h lui. Parce qu'il est 10h du matin là-bas, 10h15.
L'année Arthur et les pirates.
2005 au début du jingle, il y avait.
On le rappelle?
On essaye.
Ça me fait marrer d'appeler un mec qui est juste l'animateur le plus écouté des États-Unis. T'as juste 12 millions de gens qui se disent mais qui c'est ces malades qu'appellent de France pour dire on a un cadeau
Oui, parce
pour
qu'on
toi.
est un petit peu des crottes de pigeons hein, pour eux. Hein.
Bah, disons que la France, c'est un peu une petite ville chez eux, quoi.
C'est ça.
Oh putain.
Elles sont pas comme chez nous.
Hey, what about the French present?
He tried to pick you up and you hung up.
No,
No.
we're still on the air.
All right, one more time. I'll try one more time. Hold on.
Ok.
What are they talking about at that trial for 2 weeks? I mean, it's got to be like...
No. They took 2 weeks off.
Hey, woo. What about the French present?
That would be because you...
USA?
Ça marche pas. Hein.
What's wrong? Well,
Ils vont nous prendre après.
the person they believe.
Ils ont un standard qui marche pas.
Until proven guilty.
That's true.
I
USA?
En tout cas, ils ont un son de merde. Hein. Europe 2, c'est de meilleure qualité. Hein.
Parce que là-bas, les gens écoutent la radio uniquement par téléphone.
Ah, ok, c'est bon.
Arthur, please don't bother me anymore.
Ah, you! We've got a present for you!
The French music.
I'm serious, man. I'm going to call the cops if you don't leave me alone.
Ah, please call the cop. That could make a good advertising for our show. Just Howard, just accept our present.
You'll run like the rest of your countrymen.
So, he hang out? Non, il a raccroché. Oh putain.
Il faut rappeler.
On va pas le faire chier longtemps.
Non, c'est
On va mettre un peu de musique, on le rappelle dans 10 minutes, c'est bien, non? J'arrive pas à croire. Et j'ai à d'expliquer Howard Stern quand même,
Alors,
parce que tout le monde le connaît pas.
Mais voilà, c'est ça. Alors, Howard Stern, c'est un peu, c'est un animateur et un écrivain qui est né en 54 à New York.
Pour un animateur, il a fait des bouquins après, mais vas-y.
Ouais, non, mais il prend plaisir à offenser les gens, en fait. Donc, il coûte très très cher à son employeur, puisque pas moins de 2 millions de dollars en amende pour indécence à l'égard d'autrui.
Mais il gagne combien par an, lui?
Ah, il gagne,
Combien il gagne
18 millions de dollars.
18 millions de dollars, c'est l'animateur
annuel.
C'est l'animateur le plus écouté des États-Unis.
Voilà, c'est ça.
Et en ce moment, il va aller jusqu'à 11h du matin. Son émission est à New York et elle passe dans toutes les villes des États-Unis.
Oui, elle passe.
Et après les pubs, on va la rappeler pour le faire chier un peu.
D'accord, on est tous passés pour des cons dans les États-Unis, c'est ça. Hein.
Mais pourquoi
Oui,
on passe
c'est un
pour
peu
des cons?
ça.
Tu sais très bien que les Américains détestent les Français, mais quand tu lis les journaux depuis quelque temps, t'as l'impression que les Français détestent les Américains. Mais pas tous. C'est pour ça qu'on l'appelle.
Mais non, pas tous.
Tu comprends?
Et pas tous les Américains nous détestent alors.
Exactement. Et on va
c'est
pas le
sûr.
lâcher. On va lui faire de l'audience
On
aujourd'hui
est
à Howard.
tous des habitants du monde.
À tout de suite.